How will the future of artificial intelligence shape our world, particularly in the realm of human labor? That's a question that's been stirring up a storm of debate and speculation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a far-fetched concept from science fiction novels. It's here, it's real, and it's already transforming our lives in ways we might not even realize. Imagine a world where machines take over tasks, from the mundane to the complex. Sounds convenient, right? But what happens to the people whose jobs are replaced by AI? That's the conundrum. As we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, the potential implications on human labor are both fascinating and terrifying. And who's at the helm of this AI revolution? Who's guiding us through these uncharted waters? The answer is OpenAI, an organization that's making waves in the tech world, led by none other than Sam Altman. OpenAI, an organization that began with a simple yet powerful mission. This mission was not just to explore the vast potential of artificial intelligence, but to ensure that AI, specifically Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, would benefit all of humanity. OpenAI was established in December of 2015, born out of the vision of a group of tech luminaries, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman. They shared a common belief that AI could change the world, but it needed to be developed in a way that was safe, ethical, and beneficial for all. Thus, OpenAI was not created to be just another tech giant. It was designed as a non-profit, dedicated to advancing digital intelligence in a way that is favorable to humanity. The organization's commitment to its mission was evident right from the outset. OpenAI adopted a cooperative orientation, vowing to actively cooperate with other research and policy institutions. They committed to create a global community that addresses AGI's global challenges together. Over the years, OpenAI has made significant strides in the realm of AI. It's not just the groundbreaking technologies they've developed, but also the principles they've upheld. They've always prioritized long-term safety, striving to make AGI safe and driving the broad adoption of such research across the AI community. One of their most noteworthy achievements was the development of GPT-3, a cutting-edge language prediction model. This model, with its ability to write human-like text, showcased the tremendous potential of AI, while also highlighting the need for careful oversight and ethical use. OpenAI has also made a commitment to widespread distribution of benefits. They pledge to use any influence they obtain over AGI's deployment to ensure it is used for the benefit of all, and to avoid enabling uses of AI that could harm humanity or unduly concentrate power. But what drives this organization? Meet its CEO, Sam Altman. Sam, a tech entrepreneur with a clear vision and deep understanding of AI, has been instrumental in steering OpenAI towards its mission and goals. But his recent statements have stirred quite a buzz. Let's delve into that in our next segment. Sam Altman, a visionary leader with a clear perspective on AI's role in our future. Sam Altman, a name that resounds with authority in the world of artificial intelligence. Born and raised in the Midwest, Altman's journey began far from the tech epicenters of the world. He made his mark early, co-founding a location-based social networking company at the age of just 19. His fascination for AI led him to the helm of OpenAI, an organization dedicated to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. As the CEO, Altman's vision for OpenAI is bold and transformative, aiming to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Altman is a staunch advocate of the potential of AI. He believes that AI will revolutionize sectors far and wide, from healthcare to education, from transportation to entertainment. In his view, AI is not just a tool, but a catalyst for a new era of unprecedented growth and innovation. His optimism about AI's potential is matched only by his commitment to its responsible use. He underscores the importance of ethical guidelines in AI development, stressing that the power of AI should be harnessed for the greater good, not the select few. Yet this visionary leader is no stranger to controversy. His predictions about the future of AI have sparked discussions, debates, and even dissent. Altman, however, is not without his share of controversial statements. Altman recently made a bold prediction about AI and human labor. The OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman, is known for his forward-thinking ideas, but his latest statement is perhaps his most provocative yet. Altman has predicted that artificial intelligence will replace all human labor in the not-so-distant future. Yes, you heard it right. All human labor. This isn't a claim about some jobs being automated, which we have already seen to some extent. No, Altman is suggesting a future where every task, every job, every industry could be handled by artificial intelligence, from manual labor to intellectual pursuits, from factory workers to doctors. Altman believes AI will take over. Now, such a bold prediction is bound to have its fair share of supporters and skeptics. On one hand, there are those who welcome this prediction as a sign of progress, a future where humans are free from mundane tasks, free to pursue their passions and creativity. They envision a world where AI serves as a tool, a partner that allows us to reach new heights of innovation and discovery. On the other hand, there are those who view this prediction with apprehension and even fear. They worry about job loss, economic inequality, and the potential for AI to make decisions without human oversight. Some critics argue that Altman's prediction is a case of technological determinism, assuming that technology will inevitably shape our future without considering the human and social factors that could influence its development and use. Moreover, there are questions about how our economy, society, and laws would need to change to accommodate such a radical shift. How would we ensure everyone benefits from AI? How would we manage the potential risks? These are complex questions with no easy answers. Altman's prediction has stirred up a lot of debate. It has prompted us to consider the potential of AI, its implications, and our preparedness for such a future. It has forced us to question our relationship with technology and the role it plays in our lives. It's a statement that begs the question, is our future with AI a utopia or a dystopia? A world where AI replaces human labor, a dream or a nightmare? This question has been a hot topic of contention among experts and enthusiasts alike. On the one hand, the benefits of AI replacing human labor are quite alluring. Imagine a world where tedious, repetitive tasks are handled efficiently by machines, freeing up human capital for more creative and intellectual pursuits. We'd see increased productivity, reduced human error, and possibly a new age of innovation and creativity. On the other hand, the potential drawbacks are equally compelling. What happens to jobs and job security in a world dominated by AI? What about the segments of society that lack the skills or resources to adapt to this new order? And despite the allure of efficiency, can machines truly replicate the human touch, the empathy, the intuition that forms the bedrock of many professions? Then there are the ethical considerations. Who's to stop the misuse of AI for nefarious purposes, and who will ensure the equitable distribution of AI's benefits? These questions underscore the critical need for robust regulation and oversight. The AI revolution is not just about technological advancement. It's about societal transformation, about redefining what it means to work, to create, to live. It's a delicate dance between progress and preservation, between dreams and reality. The future of AI is a complex conundrum, and only time will reveal the true impact of this technology. As we stand on the brink of the AI revolution, the future may be uncertain, but it is undoubtedly exciting. Today, we've journeyed through the conundrum of artificial intelligence, delved into its history, and explored the intriguing perspectives of OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman. His controversial prediction that AI will soon replace all human labors has sparked a debate, leaving us to ponder. Are we heading towards a utopia or a dystopia? But remember, the future is not set in stone. It is shaped by our actions, our innovations, and most importantly, our conversations. So, let's keep this dialogue going. Do you agree with Altman's vision? Or do you see a different path for AI and humanity? Share your thoughts about our future and its possibilities. Also, subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and don't forget to turn on all notifications to be updated in the domain of AI.